dripping down the window pane, singing in a choir refrain. Clouds have gathered, dark and gray, hiding all the light away. Puddles forming on the ground, with a splashing, playful sound. Children wait and look outside, hoping soon the clouds will slide, for they wish to laugh and play in the sunshine of the day. Little rain, please go your way, come again another day. We have games we want to try beneath a clear and sunny sky. Kites are waiting to be flown, balls and bikes all stand alone. Skipping ropes lie still and neat, longing for quick running feet. Though the rain has its own song, and waters help the fields grow strong, there's a time for clouds to stay, and a time to drift away. So the breeze begins to blow, gently telling clouds to go. Slowly skies turn bright and blue, sunlight peeking softly through. Drops grow lighter, then they cease, leaving calm and shining peace. Now the children laugh and cheer, for their playtime moments here.